Today, we're at Melbourne Zoo for a big milestone, Calie's first zoo experience. Our first stop, the giraffes. Calie was absolutely amazed by their height and grace. Next, we saw the elephants. Watching these gentle giants was truly mesmerizing. The turtles caught Calie's attention, and this playful seal had everyone amazed. Then we spotted a Philippine crocodile. I was both fascinated and proud. But the tigers stole the show. Its powerful roar left Calie speechless. Sharing this adventure with our friends and their kids made the day even more special. It felt just like family. From giraffes to roaring tigers, today was unforgettable. Calie's first zoo experience was truly magical.